BitBoy, Cardano ADA explosion next week. Get ready, Cardano ADA news today. The price of Cardano has been stagnant lately. It's been sitting still while other altcoins are mooning. However, the ADA price is set to explode. Today we're going to talk all about why ADA price is going to explode next week. So watch the video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 10th of November, shall we? ADA crypto price is currently seeing a strong upside momentum and can soon see a new high in the future. Cardano coin price is currently near the value of $2.26 and has seen a gain of more than 11% in the past 24 hours. The hostile region of the coin can be seen near $3. The asset price has recently surpassed above the 50 DMA and is trading above the 50 and 100 DMA. The 50 DMA red line is currently near $2.26, making a temporary support zone for the price. Cardano's price has an ROI of more than 6,400%, which has benefited various levels. The upside momentum of ADA can push the price to a new high. One can forecast strong gains in the future. ADA token market dominance along with the market cap is seeing a strong recovery and can soon see a new high in the future. The volume of ADA along with the market cap can soon see a new surge. The volume to market capitalization ratio of the asset hints towards a strong momentum for the future. The volume indicator of Cardano is also seeing a strong surge and can soon rally to a new high. If the price jumps $2.5, then a strong bullish rally can be seen. Now let's get back to the topic. This is another opportunity to buy more ADA. Cardano is undervalued relative to Ethereum, so that's what I want to do. I want to compare this data and all the data I can find comparing ADA to Ethereum to see which one is undervalued. If ADA is undervalued, if Ethereum is potentially overvalued. BitBoy Crypto just released his new video regarding Cardano and predicted that ADA is going to explode next week. The development team behind Cardano is working on the next Daedalus update. Cardano's ecosystem's new partnerships are likely to boost the utility for ADA. Cardano makes strides with new partnerships. Analysts are bullish on the altcoin. Input Output Hong Kong, IOHK, the blockchain development firm that created Cardano, is now supporting the next Cardano maintenance upgrade. Developers are preparing for the Daedalus version 4.4.0 release, including integrations with the Cardano node and wallet and a facility to unpair a hardware wallet. Nervos Network has announced that its bridge connecting assets on its blockchain to Ethereum, Cardano, and other networks is now live. The Force Bridge supports the interchangeability of assets on Nervos across different blockchains, increasing accessibility. Interestingly, Cardano's recent partnerships are focused on increasing financial accessibility in developing countries. The network's partnership with Oasis Pro supports governments in pooling inward remittances to fund large infrastructure projects. Cardano's partnerships are likely to boost the utility of ADA tokens and increase the real-world use cases for the altcoin. Dogecoin millionaire Glauber Contesoto has admitted that he's invested in Cardano. Contesoto is bullish on Cardano and predicts a breakout in ADA price. Michael van de Poppe, CEO and founder of the 8 Global, has predicted that ADA prices will climb higher, following the path he outlined on the daily chart. Nigel Green, the CEO of De Beer Group, predicted ADA price would hit $3 in September 2021. Green's prediction was accurate. Green is bullish on ADA and has set a target of $4 for the end of the year. Green was quoted, "Cardano, it could soon attain new highs and eventually reach $4 by the end of the year." Crypto Capital Venture founder Dan Gambardello took to Twitter to say that Cardano ADA will explode again. The Twitter crypto community supported his statement and expressed their high hopes for the coin as well. To note, Crypto Capital Venture is a recruiting firm for startups. According to its founder, it helps crypto startup companies grow exponentially. Moreover, Gambardello mentioned that because of the success of his YouTube channel and Cardano stake pools, together with their delegators, the success of CCV leveraged all this into one mission: to love and serve. As a fan of Cardano ADA himself, his tweet gained a lot of attention. In fact, it garnered around 2,100 likes, 166 retweets, and lots of comments and opinions from other ADA enthusiasts. One user, @MonicaJoeCrypto, says that ADA always does that, moves slowly but strongly. Another one commented, @NikoleshSC, now #ADA is time bomb, just wait and watch it explode. Suffice to say, many believe in what he said and are waiting for ADA to truly blow up again. In detail, Cardano ADA is indeed solidifying its position in the market these days. Even investors are now moving to Cardano and Solana, according to reports. Also, Ardana, an on-chain asset-based stablecoin protocol on Cardano, shared its public sale recently as well. What's more, Cardano also revealed that Cardano Foundation partnered with Rival to develop its NFT marketplaces. Indeed, Cardano is growing fast, and the public just needs to wait and see when it will explode. The Cardano ecosystem officially now has its presence in healthcare, telecom, artificial intelligence, and many other mainstream platforms. Cardano enters the healthcare industry. The AI robot developed by Awakening Health will diagnose the problems and interact with patients empathetically, and can speak Korean and English language. This can help counter crises in the medical sector. Also, the Cardano ecosystem has made significant efforts to step into the telecom industry too, by partnering with Fortune 250 company Dish Network. After Cardano's Alonzo hard fork launch on the 12th of September 2021, the platform urged the community members to have sensible expectations. The ecosystem is patiently working from roots, keeping in mind the long-term profits. The recent collabs are the proof. So, how and when these efforts could take ADA price to reach new milestones? Let's discover. Cardano ADA price to go for $47 by the year end. Despite the recent bear market, Cardano price remained almost stagnant, holding tight to its support levels between $1.90 to $2.40. The next major resistance level for this asset lies above $3. Popular crypto analyst Altcoin Gordon made bullish predictions for Cardano. According to him, Cardano price has the strong potential to hit $47 by the year's end. Further ending his tweet, he asked followers to opine on his set target. In response to his tweet, the crowd's sentiment was pretty positive, as they're patiently waiting for the huge breakthrough for ADA price. As per analyst Altcoin Gordon, Bitcoin price could reach $98,750 by the end of the year, and he predicts Ethereum price could trade anywhere between $8,500 and $9,250 by late 2021. The analyst further added, Cody price will boom to $1.75, and the Link price has the strong potential to hit $96 by the end of 2021. Collectively, with the recent dip in Cardano's price, it's attempting hard to bounce. The community is waiting patiently. The network's efforts to build strong fundamentals and collaborations to reach out to the mainstream might sturdily impact ADA price. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land. Bye!